Welcome back to Joda Decor, your cozy corner for vintage-inspired home styling ideas. In today's video, we're exploring spring mudroom decorating ideas with functional storage and bright seasonal touches. A perfect way to refresh your entry space for the new season. If you love charming, practical decor with a nostalgic twist, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's transform your mudroom into a bright and beautifully organized spring welcome. Start by reimagining your mudroom as more than just a pass-through space. In spring, this area becomes a transition zone between the fresh outdoors and your cozy home. Lighten the mood with soft pastel walls, floral accents, or subtle striped wallpaper to create a vintage cottage feel that immediately sets a cheerful tone. Functional storage is the heart of any mudroom, so consider adding classic wooden lockers or cubbies with labeled baskets. Woven rattan or wire baskets bring texture and old-world charm while keeping shoes, scarves, and daily essentials neatly tucked away. Choose light finishes like whitewashed wood or soft sage green for a fresh seasonal look. A vintage-style bench is both practical and decorative. Look for one with built-in storage beneath the seat where you can hide rain boots or reusable shopping bags. Top it with floral cushions or gingham pillows in soft spring colors to create a comfortable and inviting spot. Wall hooks are a must-have in a mudroom, but they can also become a design feature. Opt for antique brass or distressed metal hooks mounted on a reclaimed wood board. Hang lightweight spring jackets, straw hats, or canvas totes to add texture and personality without cluttering the space. Bright seasonal touches can instantly uplift the room. Add a small vase of fresh tulips or faux cherry blossoms on a console table. A framed botanical print or vintage floral artwork will reinforce the spring theme while maintaining the classic Joda decor aesthetic. Don't overlook the floor, swap out heavy winter mats for a lighter, washable rug in floral or plaid patterns. A soft cotton runner in pastel tones not only protects the flooring but also ties the entire color palette together beautifully. Incorporate open shelving to display decorative storage pieces. Stack vintage-inspired storage boxes, ceramic jars, or labeled glass containers to organize smaller items like keys and gardening gloves. Mixing function and display keeps the space both efficient and visually appealing. Lighting plays a key role in creating warmth. Replace harsh overhead fixtures with a charming pendant light in a farmhouse or cottage style. Soft, warm bulbs will enhance the welcoming feel and highlight the pastel hues and vintage textures in your mudroom. Add greenery for that unmistakable spring freshness. Potted ferns, trailing ivy, or small herb planters can thrive near a window and bring life into the space. Even faux greenery works beautifully when arranged in vintage ceramic pots or enamel containers. Personalize your mudroom with thoughtful details. A chalkboard with a handwritten spring quote, a small calendar in a vintage frame, or a decorative key holder shaped like an old gate can make the space feel uniquely yours. These small elements create warmth and character. Consider incorporating a coat rack or hall tree for vertical storage. Choose one with ornate details or a distressed finish to enhance the vintage charm. This addition keeps frequently used items accessible while maintaining a tidy, organized look. Seasonal scent can also elevate your mudroom experience. Place a small diffuser with fresh linen or lavender fragrance near the entry. The gentle aroma creates a welcoming first impression every time someone steps inside. Keep clutter under control by rotating items with the season. Store away heavy winter gear and showcase lighter spring essentials like umbrellas in floral prints or woven market bags. This simple swap keeps the space feeling fresh, breathable, and ready for sunnier days. In conclusion, a spring mudroom makeover is all about blending functional storage with bright, cheerful seasonal accents. With thoughtful organization, vintage-inspired pieces, and soft spring details, you can create an entryway that feels both practical and beautifully inviting. If you enjoyed these ideas, please subscribe to Joda Decor, like this video, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. See you in the next inspiring vintage decor journey.